Sometimes it will be, if we are lucky, they will take you light questions, but sometimes they will ask more questions also. So we should be prepared for everything. So that is the reason we always tell, okay, strong with the basics. Okay,
Yep.
if you are strong with the basics, any question if you get it, you will get the answer relevant, at least not exact 100% answer, but relevant answer in your mind. You can try something that will align you accurately. You will get that confident. But if you are not strong with the basics, na, even if you know the concept, if you know the answer, you will not answer it. You will be get your mind will tell you, am I telling right or wrong? Am I telling right or wrong? That situation will come. Okay, strong with the basic. This is one thing. Second thing is, okay, when you are learning something, not only this course, maybe after seventh class you can drop out, but any course, okay, learn simple, learn in a simple way, as simple as possible. Just to see 2 minutes video, you got the concept. Okay, once you learn it, don't stop. You have to practice hard. The 2 minutes video, you have to practice 2 hours. It could be practice in the sense it could be read, it could be doing some practical scenarios, everything. Okay, this way we need to learn any new technology. Okay, what we do is, okay, maybe sorry to comment, many people, even me also, we try to understand the concept and we take it for granted. Okay, I understood it, I know it, and then we don't practice it. Okay, after 5 days, you will lose it, and after 20 days, when in interview, even you understood it, you can't practice, you can't deliver it properly. Okay, but if you practice 2 times, now you never miss it. It will be registered in your mind. You will get more control also. Okay, ma, please keep these two suggestions from my side. Okay, and adhere it, practice it more, ma. Practice, prepare more, read, write. Okay, and one more small suggestion. Maybe this is very early, na? So this is the best time to say. Okay, many are here not into IT, right? Few are there already in IT and even service now also, but many are want to jump into IT. Right, right, Nama? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So for you, okay, don't only see service now. Our class, this is very maybe 0.1% when I'm talking about IT. Okay, you need to see the world, how you see the world. Okay, in your relations, maybe brother, father, sister. Okay, maybe husband, wife, anyone who are working on IT, it could be any work, even if he's working for a call center, okay, to an architect level, okay, anything, he will be engaging himself for 8 hours in front of you nowadays because of work from home. Okay, observe them. What is first understand what is their work, okay, how they are recording their work, what they are doing as part of their work. It tells you, it gives you about process. This is very important to understand. So in order to enter into IT, your mind should adhere to this process. Even call center, let's say my brother is a call center, I am jobless. Okay, just to sit in front of him and observe every call, how he is taking a call, how nicely he is speaking, what kind of words he is using. Even the same words, the same conversation, when you speak with your customer as part of your development, you will you will understand like, okay, I need to use this word. Okay, when someone is from your contact sending a message, how he is understanding the previous message, on top of it, how he is responding, how he is attending the meetings, which tools he is using, how he is reporting to his manager, how he is reporting to his customer. Everything you need to start keeping in your mind. That is very important for maybe who wants to enter with a fake experience, because this is where you will miss so many things. You understand the concept, you will go through the interview questions, but when you are getting into interviews, you will be missing these lines and you will get confused and scared. This is where most of the people are failing. I know service now, but I don't know how I need to apply the service now. How I apply? I apply to the process. How is the process? Process is anything. You need to understand these things. Make sense, ma? Is that valid?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
start seeing the things. Don't bug them. Don't say like my sir told like, okay, I need to learn this one, so teach me. That and all you don't harass them. Just patiently sit and start watching it instead of seeing your mobile or something. Just see how they are receiving the work, how many meetings they are attending, what types of meeting they are attending. Meetings also, stand-up meeting will be there, okay, and weekly meeting will be there, internal meeting will be there, customer meeting will be there. So many things will be there. Just start seeing thing for mailing what they are using, okay, everything ma. You need to see these things first. This is like footsteps concept. This is service now topic is like one trigger to enter into IT, but it is not a complete trigger. You need this one to understand, but this is where we are missing. When I say 3 years of experience, 5 years of experience, okay, maybe if you have time, I can also tell something else. Can we take another 2 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe?
Please, sir, go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See here,
Yes, sir. Please.
this is very, very important point I will always tell. Okay, let's say I kept 3 years of experience. I think you've seen this video. Okay, normally people I tell the same thing to my people also. 3 years fake experience I kept it. Okay, now imagine just to take you like one, you take one person, okay, 3 years in one company or two companies or five projects, okay, just to see his mind levels, maturity levels. This is what my point is, okay. 3 years, right? Let's say per year 200 days, okay, into 3 years means 600 days or 700 days, close to 600 days minimum out of 1020 days. He will be spending 6 7 like he will be working 600 days minimum. I am taking minimum all these calculations are very minimum. 600 days he will be working. Okay, 600 into per day. Normally we work for 9 hours, but our mind will work for at least hardly 4 hours. Means your complete mind will dedicate 4 hours for work, right? So that means how much? 20,
2400.
2400. So 2400 hours, 2400 hours, you are with service now. That's what you are telling. I have this much of experience. When you say you are with service now, you don't only develop. Okay, you do. Okay, you listen. Okay, you speak. You think. Okay, 24,000 hours, you will do. Your mind will do these things. Just assume a 10th class passed out person, if I take him blindly and make him to a team, okay, and then he spent 2,400 hours. Can he able to do service now? Basics at least? Basics like, what do you say? Service now administration job? He can do, right? But this is what the expectation. Even we keep 3 years of experience, we don't speak this much in interviews. That's where we are failing. That's where the jobs, we are not getting the jobs. Not only service now, ma. Any tool, you learn something, okay, and you don't spend time means you don't do all these things, especially do you don't do because you don't practice it, and you even don't sit with this kind of environment, and your mind have some lagging and it fails in the interviews. And then one more important thing is when we see, let's say many people here maybe came from different tools. They learn some tool, they fail there to get the job, and then they jump into service now because service now is moving. But blaming, na, if I fail, I hesitate to blame myself. Okay, me and my friends, three people joined into testing or something like maybe Power BI. Okay, we learned from one facilitator. We spent 20,000. Okay, because that is the minimum price everywhere, not from our classes, but 20 minutes, 20,000. Okay, it's 20K. So we learnt it. One guy got the job, another guy got job in 2 months. Okay, we spent 4 months, and even I didn't get after fifth month also. Then I will blame IT is not good, Power BI is not good. It have scripting. Okay, I can't do it. Then one of my friend will come say, Macha come, service now is good. Then I will join here. You spend some money here, and then you again spend 3 months here. So are we blaming ourselves in this first place? Why we didn't get, why other two got it? They may did something different other than you, right? Compared to you, they did something else. What is that? Maybe this one. But one thing is we missed this part, and also we don't blame ourselves why it is failed. We try to blame others. He didn't teach this one. He didn't teach that one. I didn't get this one. I didn't get that one. That's where we are failing, ma. It is little odd to tell, but this is how it is happening. Okay, so keep these all points in mind, not maybe this one, but all these points, okay, for learning effectively, okay, to get a nice jobs. Start from now only because it is very early. That is the reason I am giving this hard class. Okay, every day is important. Next 2 months, the next 2 months is very crucial for our lives. You have to make use of them. Okay, then I'm ending here.